you got the first one right. The second one, you said that 1000 divided by 10 was 100. Thing to note is that when you have two divisions, it's almost as if you're multiplying them together, so the actual answer is 10,000. It actually multiplies. So you're actually dividing it by 10,000. So you're dividing it by 1,000 and then 10 again. So it's 10 more. So you have to add another 0. Question 2, I believe you got right. If we scroll down, this one, the area of given the area, the triangle and the square below, find the perimeter of the bottom shape. You have to remember that perimeter means the outside edge. So you're looking for the sum of the outside edges. So if we go down, we see that the edge of each of these sides on a triangle is 5. Now, but that is irrelevant because that is on the inside. So what we also see that the edge of each of these squares is 5. So what we've got is we can't add 4 up. We've actually got 5 here plus 5 plus 5, and 1, 2, 3, 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15, and we've got that again and again and again. So so it's 15. Let's just keep going. 20 plus 25 plus 5 is 30 plus 5 is 35 plus 5 is 40 plus 5 is 45, and 45 is the answer. So the perimeter of the bottom shape is 45. Now this one is the same sort of thing, but areas, of course, you do count the inside. Now we know that the area of a triangle is 5. So we can put 5 for each of those triangles. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. And we know the area of the pentagon is 20. So now we've got 5 5s, 25 plus 20, and the answer is also 45, but this time 45 centimeters squared. This one here, there are 2 things you have to pay attention to. The first one is that the circle is reflected about the line. Reflected is like using a mirror. And the second thing is that it is translated, which is the same as moved 3 units down. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to draw the circle just above the line. Let's try and draw a circle. We're going to try again. See if we can get this the right size. There we go. So we need to move this circle so it is reflected about the line. So we can see that it is 1 square away, and so we move it 1 square up. The next thing it does is it's translated 3 units down. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to copy that circle and I'm going to paste it, and we're going to have circle 1 and circle 2. So 1 unit is 1 square, 1 down, 2 down, 3 down. So if we change this to be, if I just change the color, if I can, and make that one blue. So the first step is reflected, and I'll see if I can dwarf something here. This is reflected about the line, and this is now translated 3 units down. Hopefully this makes sense to you, and hopefully it makes sense to you.